in Liberia, Dangana, from Africa.
I'm from Australia, Canberra.
Je suis français et je viens de Rennes.
I'm from the United States and Dallas, Texas.
我来自中国上海。
और मैं दिल्ली इंडिया से हूँ.
A dog goes woof.
A dog goes wong wong.
Woof woof.
Woof.
भाव 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 भाव.
Woof woof.
A cat goes meow.
Meow meow.
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 Frog goes
Quack quack.
Croc.
Quack quack.
Ribbit.
Quack quack.
A chicken goes chicken.
A chicken goes.
Pio, 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 pio.
Puck 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 puck.
A chicken goes.
Cut cut cut.
Sounds a chicken make.
A turkey goes.
That one's hard.
I never heard a turkey before.
We don't have turkeys in Australia.
I've never seen a turkey in my life.
A turkey goes gobble.
A rooster goes coodaloo. No, it doesn't.
I don't know what rooster is. I don't think we have in India.
Sorry, what is a rooster?
They do a pretty annoying noise in the morning, right?
I think.
A rooster goes
A pig goes oink.
Oink.
Quack quack quack.
A sheep goes meh meh.
Meh.
Meh meh.
A sheep goes ba.
Be be.
Bah.
A giraffe goes.
a giraffe.
I don't know.
The one with the tall. Wow.
I feel like they just gallop around quietly.
Really? Do they even make sound?
I have no clue.
A giraffe doesn't make sound. Does it?
A giraffe goes.
I don't.
A giraffe goes like roar. Like roar. Like brr. That's like oh, like that.